Hi, we're at our project at Hawthorne. We're 20 months in, at least, into this project, and very much on the home straight now. A lot of defects being picked up. There's a couple of extra bits and pieces that were added to the contract. A music room slash band room or sound room. Really good quality acoustic insulation because the young son is very much into his guitars and musical instruments. Also, they're getting a couple of screens in and just in some gates out the front. All that's in process. There's still the pool to finish. Tilers are due this week. The deck is all finished. It's very much looking really wonderful. The glass balustrade was a product that was supplied from China along with the feet to connect to the deck. It's been very cost-effective a scenario for the client. They've literally saved $200,000 to $300,000. If you have a project and you'd like us to be involved, we can certainly organise those cost savings for you. And that includes windows, all Australian compliant, cabinet work, plumbing fittings and fixtures, all watermarked, so meeting Australian standards. Electrical stuff, if you like, with some LED lighting that's coming from China. What we're talking is 50 to 70% off. We can design your project and our fee will be saved, more than saved, if we help you get those goods in from China. A testament to the builder's work. Us as architects have taken the project from our concept all the way to completion. So really pleased with the result. The clients are ecstatic. It's an amazing home in an amazing position.